So, roses are red, violets are blue, friends are many, but good ones are those who are mischievous like you. A great morning to Deepti ma'am, Amit sir, and all of my friends. I am Aditya Haridwari, an IT engineer, and today I'd like to share with you two amusing incidents of my life, remembering which my friends and I still think those were the days. So the first incident happened at the night of Diwali in the month of November 2014 when my friends Dattu Rohan and I were lighting up some firecrackers in the common plot of our society. We were reveling in the colorful sparks and deafening noises. Now there was this Gandia rocket which I was lighting up. Anyone know what a Gandia rocket is? So a Gandia rocket is a type of rocket which you have to hold up like this in your hand and then you have to throw it. And it can go in any direction like a mischievous spirit. So that's why it's known as Gandia rocket. So I was lighting up this Gandia rocket with my hand and I threw it upwards, and what happened first, it soared upwards but then it veered left, and Murphy's law, it went into the compressor of an outdoor AC unit of house number 21. Now what happened next was nothing short of a catastrophe. The compressor first started to make a hissing sound and then it blasted into flames just like a boiler on the verge of eruption. We were petrified by what we had done. We were petrified by our actions. We immediately knocked on the door of the house number 21 and the owner, the lucky bhaiya, came outside and saw the fire. He was initially very furious, but first what we did, we extinguished the fire with the help of water, sand and whatnot. So the fire was eventually extinguished, and before any of my friends could point any fingers at me, I shouted, ये बाजू वाली सोसाइटी से किसी ने रॉकेट फेंका, वहाँ से आया इसलिए जल गया, अच्छा वो हम लोग थे, नहीं तो और जल जाता. Lucky I was initially furious and all of my friends were smirking at me. Lucky I was initially furious, but eventually as the damage was not severe, he eventually calmed down and helped us for our assistance in extinguishing the fire. To this day, none of my friends has spilled the beans that it was I who had ignited the compressor. Now, towards the second incident. So the second incident happened in the month of August 2012 when I had just entered my 11th class in science stream in IP English school. So there were these three friends of mine who were living in my society, Dattu, Rohan and Rashish. So we were used to go to school together as we were living in the same society. So one morning, as we were going to school together, we decided to do something really dangerous. We decided to bunk the school. So what we did, we bunked the school and went to a theater to watch a movie. Can anyone guess what the genre of the movie was? It was an adult comedy movie. क्या super cool है हम? So we decided to watch the super cool है हम, but there was a catch. We were only 16 at that time. So what happened? We weren't able to get the tickets to the movie theater. We were really sad and went outside the theater. But as luck was on our side, what happened was we found these two guys who were selling these movie tickets in black. So we bought the movie tickets from them and went inside to watch the movie. Now the theater was partially empty, so what we did, we sat at the back side of the theater to have a good look of the movie. Now everything was going good, but after some time what happened, in between the interval there was this waiter who came to us with a tray full of food and said, "Sir, आपका order, nachos, grilled cheese or coke." At first my friends and I looked at each other that what just happened, but after that, without wasting a second moment, I grabbed the plate from the waiter and told him, कितना लेट करते हुए कब से ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है, जल्दी आना चाहिए था ना. And took the plate from him, and in the next 5 minutes we devoured all the food at the lightning speed. Now after having our meal, I told all of my friends, अब सब अलग अलग जगह बैठ जाते हैं ताकि कोई आए तो हमको पकड़ ना पाए, and we scattered in different corners of the theaters. Now after the movie resumed, what happened was this waiter came inside with a guy to the same seat on which we had our meal together, and they were frantically searching for us, but they weren't able to find us as we were hiding under our seats. So after some time that waiter left, but that guy was still sitting at that seat only, searching for us. So what we did, we eventually one by one stealthily left the theater and bolted outside like there was no tomorrow. It was the best day of our lives and we felt like we were on the seventh heaven. So what I learned from these two incidents, that friendship is one of the greatest gifts of life, and it should be cherished and nurtured properly. Now I'd like to conclude by saying, कुछ लम्हों के लिए ही सही वो बीता हुआ कल चाहिए, कुछ लम्हों के लिए ही सही वो बीता हुआ कल चाहिए, वो महफिलें, वो मस्तियाँ, वो दोस्तों के साथ बिताए हुए पल चाहिए, वो दोस्तों के साथ बिताए हुए पल चाहिए. थैंक यू.